Did a Wise transfer go missing? Don't panic. I know how stressful that is. You sent money, it should have arrived, and now you're stuck wondering what happened. But here's the good news. I'll show you exactly how to raise a dispute and get your money back. No endless searching through help menus, no dead ends. Just a clear, direct path to the support you need. So here's the plan. We'll start by finding the right transaction in your Wise account. Then we'll use the help icon to choose the issue that matches your problem. And finally, we'll start a real-time chat with support. I've walked through this process with actual transaction screenshots to make sure every step is exactly what you'll see on your screen. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Wise account and find the transaction. You want to look for the specific transfer that went wrong. It's usually right there on your main activities page. Just scroll through your recent transactions until you spot it. This is the one you're going to work with. Now click on that specific transfer to open up its details. This is important because Wise needs to see the exact transaction to understand what went wrong. When you click on it, you'll see a full breakdown of that transfer. The amount, the recipient, the status. Take a second to confirm this is the right one. So now that you've got the transaction open, look for the help icon on this details page. It's usually a little question mark or a help button, and you'll find it somewhere near the top or bottom of the transaction information. Go ahead and click that. This is the button that unlocks everything we're about to do. All right, a menu will pop up with several options. This is where you need to choose the issue that best matches your problem. Wise has preset categories for common things like delays, incorrect amounts, or money that hasn't arrived. Pick the one that sounds closest to what happened. In my experience, this is the step where most people get confused because they don't know which option to pick. But just trust your gut and choose the most obvious match. If your money hasn't shown up, look for something like, "Where is my money?" or "transfer status." Now, here's a really common situation. Wise will try to solve your problem automatically with a few suggested solutions. If those don't help and you're still stuck, look for a button that says something like, "I still need help." It's usually at the bottom of the suggestions. Click that. This tells Wise that their standard fixes didn't work, and you need a real person on the other end. At this point, you'll get a text box where you can describe your issue in more detail. This is your chance to explain exactly what happened. Be clear and specific. Mention the amount, the date, the recipient, and what error you saw, if there was one. And here's a tip from someone who's tested this. Don't write a novel, but don't be too vague either. A few clear sentences with the key facts will get you the fastest response. Something like, "I sent $200 to my friend in London on January 15th, but the money never arrived." "The status says completed, but my friend hasn't received it." That's perfect. Finally, hit that Start Chat button. This connects you directly to Wise support. A real person will pick up your case and start investigating. And that's it. From feeling frustrated and lost to actively getting help from a support agent who can actually do something about it. So next time a Wise transfer goes wrong, you know exactly what to do. No panic, just a few simple clicks and you're talking to the right person. I hope this helped you get your issue sorted out quickly.